In the PULSAR platform, we offer a collision avoidance feature with two different approaches. The first one is for known objects in fixed position. The other one is for moving objects. In this video, we will focus on the fixed object. So as you can see here, we have a scene with a globe, but you have to imagine that the globe can be anything, could be a bed, could be a chair, could be another device. And the idea is to integrate this 3D scene, as you can see on the screen, inside the robot. And when I move the robot, you can see that it is perfectly synchronized with the 3D. And in real time, it will anticipate the collision that can occur. For example, if I try to collide with the globe, here the robot stopped. And you can see on the 3D that there is a red barrier, and this is a barrier between the globe and the robot, and I cannot cross this barrier. If I try again, you can see that the robot is stopping before the globe. Here I need to go out of the collision, and I try again. And you have to know that the margin between the object and the robot is configurable. You can have maybe 1 millimeter margin or 10 centimeter margin, depending on what you want to avoid. And here we have also a wall. You can see that there is a wall, but there is one. And when I approach the robot to the wall, you can see the same red barrier between the wall and the robot. So with this kind of feature, we can avoid a lot of collisions, and it's safer.